Okay, so from constellation, we moved to stars. From the Gemini constellation, we moved to Sirius and to Alpha Centauri. Um, and what we are talking about here is an evolution. And not that this is bad at all, on the contrary, and I'm going to talk about this right here. So, we're talking about Ray Laconico. Let's leave aside for the moment the brand, but Ray Laconico. And I think most of us got to know Ray through the Kaiser Gemini in the premium version with titanium and S35VN. Now, Ray has evolved and has made collaboration and has his own custom knives and all. And one of the things I really enjoy about Ray is his design language and how it has evolved, but still maintaining certain aspects of his designs. Now, I gotta applaud what Kaiser has done. Kaiser placed or renewed the look of the Gemini by changing it to the Vanguard series, a bit more budget friendly kind of tier, and giving us this micarta with blue accents and N690 steel. Fantastic design, and it's been modernized by Kaiser, and again, it's out there and it's totally worth it. And that's something I'd like to talk about as well. I love just having the opportunity to have like different knives from a knife maker, and just observing, appreciating the differences, the similarities on all of them. And if there's an evolution, just trying to catch those details that show me that evolution. In a world where the iKnife has invaded the market, what I mean by iKnife is, and I've mentioned this in other videos, is, the iPhone, the iPad, the iWatch, the I have a lot of things of the same thing. Here we have specific elements that Ray continues to have, and yet at another level. But something as well that looks to the past, looks and values something that is a good model, and rescues that old model. I don't know how long it's been since the first time I saw it had just come out, the Gemini in the premium version, and man, did I like that knife, and man, do I like this one. Like I've said, I think I like this one a bit better, just because of that lightness and how I can maneuver this knife. And but also that's another aspect of Laconico. You can maneuver his knives fantastically well. Anyways, this is just a short video that I wanted to talk about and show you guys a certain aspect, a certain evolution. And I think that I think it's important to value, yeah, there are aspects, there are models out there that were not a good business for companies or for a designer. But then again, there are models that are still great till this day. And the Kaiser Gemini, the design by Ray Laconico, the Gemini, is one of those. And I love the fact that Kaiser did this with the Gemini, and I hope more brands dare to do this. For example, zero tolerance. So many great models by zero tolerance, and they're retiring. You know, the little that they have that is really good. I'm not sure where they're going, but I am sure where Kaiser is going, and we are able to see where they are going, and which is unfortunate for CT, one of my favorite brands as well. But anyways, and then we have Artisan collaborating. You know, a key factor for all brands, I think, is collaborations. Getting to know these knife makers, these designers, through these collaborations at different tiers. Anyways, I don't know what you guys think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Well, to read your thoughts, and I just think that there are good things out there right now, but there are good things out there from back then that are still good enough now. So, hope you enjoyed it. Professor EDC out.